Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we got a nice simple recipe for you using our air fryer making paneer tikka skewers. We made chicken skewers last time and this time we are giving you a vegetarian option. My ingredients are a tablespoon of oil, 200 gram of paneer, a handful of green pepper, a handful of red pepper, and a handful of onions. We have cut them according to the size of the paneer. Here I have a few flowers of broccoli, which I gave a quick steam, and a teaspoon of tikka masala. I'm also going to use half cup of yogurt, a splash of paprika, a grain of black pepper, and a grain of salt. We're also going to use the juice of half a lemon. My broccoli is optional, but you can choose whatever vegetable you like to add. We're going to start off by making our tikka marinade. To marinate, I am using half the cup of yogurt, and thereafter my oil, to this I'm going to use my lemon juice, which is half the lemon. I give this a nice mix. And then my tikka masala, a sprinkle of paprika, a grain of black pepper, and a grain of salt. Mix this well. My tikka marinade is made, so I'm just going to add in my veggies. My paneer. I'll give this all a nice mix. In this way, we'll be able to coat all our vegetables and the paneer in the tikka marinade. I am preparing my air fryer basket, putting my parchment paper to the bottom, and this is how it's done. We allow the parchment paper to sit on the basket and then push it down gently so it's neatly put in. I'm using a smallest skewer so it fits into my basket like this, and I also soaked up the skewers in cold water before using. We're going to start off by assembling our skewers. First I'll put in my piece of onion, and then piece of red pepper, our paneer, our broccoli, then another piece of onion, and our green pepper, our paneer again. To finish it off, I'll put another piece of red pepper. So this skewer is done. place it in there and I'll continue the rest. Here's my 4 skewers, and that's the amount our basket can take. I'm just going to add in a little spray and cook to the bottom. The reason being why we put our parchment paper to the bottom, so the air can circulate all over our skewers. I am ready now to place my skewers into the basket. Right, this is how I placed it, keeping a little space in between. I'm going to slide my basket into the air fryer. My setting for the vegetables are 160 degrees and 17 minutes, and I will also turn the vegetables when it's 10 minutes along the way. So now I'm just going to start. To serve my skewers, I'm going to make a quick cucumber salad. I've cut a small piece of cucumber. I'm going to grind some salt, a grain of pepper, and I'm also going to use the other half of my lemon. And I'm going to adjust my yogurt by using 2 tablespoons first. If needed, I'll add more. I am going to quickly grate my cucumber. Here's my grated cucumber. I'm going to season with my salt and pepper. And then squeeze my lemon. That's 2 tablespoons. I think it's enough. Give this a nice mix. And this is ready for serving. We turned our skewers and we gave it an extra 4 minutes. And now it's ready. Earlier, I prepared some lovely garlic naan, and we're going to put our skewers to the naan. Pranesh will link the recipe for the naan and also for the paneer. Firstly, I'm going to put in my salad in a line. And then gradually I'm gonna pull the skewer off. And then I'll fold in my naan. And with the help of the toothpick, just going to let this get attached together. And here I'm going to use the same manner to prepare another naan. Here you go, your lovely paneer tikka skewers served with some nice soft naan and with some lovely cucumber salad on the bottom. This is a little bit different from other recipes, but it's quite tasty. Pranesh also enjoys it all the time when we make it. I hope you'll give this one a try and enjoy, and thank you all for watching.